Hello everyone, welcome to this interactive course in Python. My name is Pulkit and in this demo we will learn what Python is. Python is the most popular and easiest programming language. So if you are new to this interactive learning, allow me to give a very rapid overview of the interface. You can play this short video here to learn about the lesson details and basics. This is your AI lab assistant. You can ask any question related to Python on this page and it will guide you. So suppose if we ask what is Python. Okay, so Python is a high level integrated programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Okay, so this is the coding environment where we will be writing and executing our programs. This is the visual demo lab that we will try later in this video, and these are some assessments. So let's write our very first program in Python, just saying hello to the world. So you can write a command or statement like this: print hello world. So we are using this Jupyter notebook. You can click on this Python notebook and in the cell you can write your Python program. You can rename it as well. Say rename it to hello.ipynb. Okay, so this is called as cell. So in the very first cell, start writing print. So print is the name of the function. Open parenthesis, then close parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis goes the double quotation marks. Now we are writing hello world. You can run this using shift return if you are using Mac, or shift enter if you are using Windows, or you can click on this little triangle to run this code. So let's run it. Okay, so it says hello world. Congratulations on completing your very first program. You can write another print statement like print my name is Pulkit and run this cell. So it shows my name is Pulkit. Here you have to keep in mind that print is not outputting anything. It is just displaying what goes inside into it. Now let's break it down. How the print statement is working. So print is a function. Don't worry about it. We'll learn more about it later on. It checks for parentheses and then it checks for double quotation marks, and whatever goes inside the quotation marks will be displayed. Let's move to the visual lab. So try typing something incorrect like this and hit the run button. So the error message is displayed that we are missing the argument. Argument means what goes inside the quotation marks or the parenthesis. So let's say we write this and again we commit some mistake. So again it is displaying the error message to us that we are forgetting the closing double quotation marks. Okay, so now let's run it finally. So it is saying hello world. So we are passing hello world into the print statement and it is displaying the result to us. Similarly, you can try on this quiz as well. So let's go back to our notebook and do some mistakes here. So I am writing print my name is Pulkit and not closing. So this is the error. Again you can write like this. So these are the some common errors that we usually do. We need to avoid these errors. Okay, so let's try this quiz. You can select the easy option, and as we have learned about print statement, we will write here print Python and let's take a quiz. So this is an AI generated quiz. Now it's asking what will be the result of this print hello world. So we are passing hello world inside the double quotation marks. So correct option is hello world. Okay, So you have chosen the correct option. It is the right one, although it's showing incorrect. This is the progress bar. You can check your activity here. Thank you so much.